everyone, I'm going to show you how to secure your Google account. To keep your Google account secure, focus on a few high impact security measures. So, open Google Chrome and click your profile picture in the top right, then select Manage your Google account. Now, from the left side menu, select Security and Sign In. So, here at the top, you have Security Tips. So, security tips found in the Security Checkup. You also have recent security activity. So you can run a security checkup. So Google provides a personalized review of your account security, including signed in devices. You have recent security events, recovery information, and third party app access. Now go back to the last page. Next, you can also enable two step verification. So just scroll down and under how you sign into Google. So you'll see two step verification. So this adds a second layer of protection beyond your password. So whenever possible, use a passkey most secure and convenient. So you can enable two-step verification or 2FA. So this adds a second layer of protection beyond your password. So whenever possible, use a passkey, a Google prompt, an authenticator app, or SMS code only if other options are not available. So Google strongly recommends enabling two-step verification. Now you can also use a strong unique password. So go back to the last page, then scroll down and you can add your password. You can add a stronger password so you can make it at least 16 characters long. Don't reuse your password on other websites and consider using a password manager to generate and store passwords securely. You can also review your devices. So go back to the last page, then scroll down, and here you should see your devices. And under your devices, select Manage All Devices. So here you can remove devices you no longer use or don't recognize. You can check for unfamiliar sign in activity regularly. And also remember to keep your device updated. So install operating system, browser, and app updates promptly to patch security vulnerabilities. And that's it. Thank you for watching.